Hi guys, let me show you quickly the LinkedIn content automation I built. The goal for this content automation is to help content creators generate high quality posts consistently without having to start from scratch. So let me show you how it works. Once triggered, the system pulls in structured inputs like topics, ideas, or even raw data from Google Sheets. Then that data is then passed inside of this through this API, which makes a web research. And the reason why it is passed through this API is so that it can generate more context and insights, which would improve the quality of the post. Once that is done, everything is transferred. The web research, the result is then transferred inside of our AI agents. Inside of our AI agents, that's where we have our prompt. So the AI agent would help us craft out a well-structured LinkedIn generated post that is clear, engaging, and ready to publish. So once that is finalized, everything would now be transferred back inside of Google Sheets to store it automatically and just keep everything organized. Yeah, so we'll be doing a quick test. We'll be doing a quick test. So this is the Google Sheet I connected. Yeah, so this is the topic. So we'll give it a test and it will generate a content for us. So let's try and see. I'll be testing it manually. So our Google Sheets has pulled in the information. So now it's now getting the information, then it's doing the web search. Then our AI agent would help us craft and would now then store the information inside of Google Sheets. The reason I'm doing it like this is because I didn't start with a schedule trigger. We can always schedule this post, and this can be dynamic. It doesn't have to be just LinkedIn. We can do this for Instagram. We can do this for any social media platform you use. So now let's check inside of our Google Sheets what we have generated. And so as you can see, it is generated, and immediately the status button toggles into created. So we know that this has been created automatically. We can do this for other topics, but that's the example I want to give us for now. Yeah, so instead of thinking about what to write or how to structure your posts, this system helps you consistently generate posts and structure them perfectly. Yeah, so this automation can be especially useful for founders, creators, or businesses that wants to stay active on LinkedIn without burning out. The main idea of this automation is simple, is to remove the friction of content creation and make consistency effortless. So if you want a system like this could be way more complex than this. I just built this simple workflow to just demonstrate. Yeah, so this could be more complex than this. If you want something like this, you can send me a message or shoot me an invite. I would be happy to help you create automations like this. Thank you for watching.